Today we have to withdraw Bitcoin from Cryptotab, and we'll follow a few steps to withdraw. First, after generating your Bitcoin, you click on the three lines at the edge. And click on it, gives you options. It gives you the withdraw BTC option. Then you click on the withdraw BTC. It opens another page for you. It says, "Dear user, please note that all payments will be made on time. However, due to Bitcoin network overload, it may take longer to get transactions confirmed. Please be patient." So here we have to insert our Bitcoin address, and then here the amount in BTC we want to withdraw. Okay, I have clicked on the maximum withdrawal. Then I want to add my BTC address for withdrawal. So I copy address, and then I go back to the page they open for me. Then I input address, I copy and paste address. Then I click on "I'm not a robot." The self capture has a problem, so I have to Okay, now everything has gone through. Click on withdraw. Then there you are, your payment request successfully created. You will get your funds soon. So that's the step. After doing that, you wait. This could take about 2 to 4 hours for you to receive your payments. Because okay, we are now checking our balance to see if we've received the payment. You click on withdraw BTC and it opens this page. When it opens, let's go back. First, if you want to withdraw, you click on this. You click on the tray on the edge, then click on withdraw BTC. It opens a page. Because I've been able to withdraw, I don't have any amount to withdraw, so I click on payment history to check if I've received my money, and that is it. I've received my money completed. So let's confirm from my blockchain to see if it's true that I've received my money. Sorry. So this is my blockchain wallet. Let me refresh and see. And you can even check the date to confirm, because this 5th June 2020 at 9:00 p.m. and that's our amount we are getting here. And then the wallet this sent from, that's the amount we are getting. So with Cryptotab is legit, and you can earn BTC from the Cryptotab, but you won't earn much. It takes a very long time to earn this. everything. But if you want to earn more, click on the link in the description. If you want to earn more, click on the link in the description and then subscribe and click on the notification icon, because I'll be posting another video teaching the tricks on how to earn more on Cryptotab. Now I've made you people know I have to start afresh with my Cryptotab. Like and subscribe this video.